How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about smooth low portion, guys. After a long time, I'm talking about SLP coin, guys. What's the price? What's the price changes occur? And SLP. Let me show you, guys. SLP is absolutely a good project, and you know what? The trading volume of SLP I found every hour going positive, guys. Trading volume. So that's mean that a lot of people are investing more and more in smooth low portion. So let's talk about the update of SLP, and let's talk about the next move, the changes update of smooth low portion. First of all, guys, if we talk about the current price of smooth low portion in the market, so the current price of SLP is about 0.073065 USD dollar. That is the current price of smooth low portion. Furthermore, other side, if you talk about the changes update of SLP, so now the last 1 hour update is about positive 0.39%. the last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in SLP is completely negative. Very badly the price of SLP will dump. But guys, don't worry, very soon these changes will become positive and they will give you profit, guys. Absolutely, my prediction about SLP is completely positive. I believe that for a long time, that's a long-term project. So you have, as you can see here, guys, just look here the price chart at the latest situation. Now smooth low portion start pumping, guys. So congratulations, very now SLP going to the moon. Anyways, guys, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about SLP? Also share in the comment box, and guys, don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.